Alright guys, I'm back at the Merv Griffin Estates. I got the special order 20-foot lumber this time, and I am completely unsure how this is going to go and if I can even accomplish this delivery with what I got to go around here at the house. So here we go, see what we can do. So I got a little bit of damage on the on one of those pieces of lumber, and you always want to show the customer that before you even get it off your truck so they know that you didn't do it. And that's some kind of things you want to notate when you're picking it up at the store, or if you don't even see it until you get to the delivery by chance. You want to make sure you notate it. I got a rock on this lumber somehow. I gotta take it off. Hello? Yeah. Yeah, it's on my truck right now. I was gonna go there next, or go to the next store and pick it up and then go there, because those two stops are next to each other. Yeah, I did. They added some drywall to the top and re-synced it out. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Alright. So I probably shouldn't pace this out with my feet, but I gotta, this palm tree, and then I gotta make the turn to the left, so I don't know. I gotta stay under the wood beam there at the top of the garage. I'm barely getting by on the right. Do a spin if I can. Yeah, it's not gonna work. I can't spin straight because I got the edge over here.
Let's just set them and let's just set them right there in front of that garage door.
Okay. How's that look right there? What's that?
Those two boards from back there, you want me to go get those?
I can just take them with me. I gotta come back there and get my photos. But unless you want to put them down. Okay. So I can get out of this. Alright. I'm going to put this away and I'll come right back and get your photos. Alright, well, all you can do is try. Unfortunately, I couldn't get into the backyard. But you got to know when to stop sometimes. And that was definitely in a multi-million-dollar home, not worth all that risk. So did the best I could. It's curbside delivery, just remember that. So getting it to the backyard, I showed you only the end of this delivery. I've already done 2 bunks of lumber to the back before I even attempted that. So I've gotten everything so far to the backyard except those beams, and honestly, those even are time consuming for the contractor to carry back in the first place because there's only 4 of them, I think. So all in all, I call it a successful delivery so far. This is a home addition to this backyard, so I'm sure we'll be here again. But give me a like or comment, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right.